How to play a YouTube video in a new tab. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. To play a video in a new tab, firstly you can just tap on the plus sign icon or in the existing tab at the top in the address bar just search for youtube.com, which will redirect you to your YouTube. If not, tap on the plus sign icon and select on YouTube shortcut or type in youtube.com, after which you'll be redirected to your YouTube. Now starting off, to search a preferred video to play on your YouTube, you can just browse in the suggested list of videos or in the search bar search for the preferred video you are searching for to play on YouTube. After which you can just select on the video and wait for it to load. Then you can enjoy your video in your new tab. It is a quick and easy process. However, if you face any of the difficulty regarding it, you can check out the help and support of YouTube. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.